Hello, teenagers and young adults. So, if you are looking for some guidance while you're confused, or if you're looking for some entertainment when you're bored, or if you want some fun and some nice life stories with some teenage stuff, then hold on and wait. This video is for you, and there's something very special coming up, so do watch till the end. So this video had to come way earlier, but I was little busy with my college, and in between there was Vinayak Chavti, and during that time we had more work than usual because my friends and I, we started taking up responsibilities as teenagers. We started working together as a team during the Vinayak Chavti and all. I hope you saw the vlogs. So basically, that is the reason this video was little delayed, but here it is. And yeah, Vinayak Chavti was so fun because all the teenagers were involved this time, and this teenage also, yeah, it is something very special in one's life. While you're in your teens, it feels very weird, but it is something that teaches you a lot, gives you a lot of exposure, and it is the best part of one's life. So talking about teenagers, teenagers are very energetic. They are always ready to take up responsibilities. Sometimes they are in a hurry to grow, and sometimes they want to be a child. Sometimes they are happy, sometimes they are sad, sometimes they fail, and sometimes they rise. So for such amazing and enthusiastic teenagers, I present to you the Teenager Show. Hey guys, welcome to the episode 1 of the Teenager Show. So, first of all, how are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing very well. I hope everything is fine. And yeah, to begin with, first thing is that I'm very happy and excited today because 2 months since we planned yesterday shows at Dhani, but it wasn't happening. I was tied up with a lot of things. So, finally, I'm able to do it, and the video is here. And secondly, I thought of starting this video with a nice definition of teenage. Anduke, I thought I'll go to Google and search for the definition of teenage, but you know what Google said? It said teenage is the age between 13 to 19 years. And technically it sounds right, but I personally feel teenage is the time when you start dreaming, when you start thinking about your career. So teenage builds your career, teenage shapes your character. So you know, so ఇవన్నీ ఆలోచిస్తే 13 to 19 years is a very basic definition for teenage. And yeah, so I personally feel teenage is like the transition from a caterpillar to butterfly. So during the first year, I mean the initial years of teenage, you just start transforming yourself, you start learning all the new things, and sometimes you make mistakes, you fail, you grow with them and you learn from them. So that is the reason, all the initial years of teenage are the transformation phase, and when you're at 18 and 19 years, at my age, so that is the time when you're almost transformed and you spread your wings wide open, and that is the time you start flying, and that is when the actual growth happens. So yeah, and the reason behind me starting this show is that I thought I will be able to help teenagers through content because I love making content, but I also thought it should help someone. So I thought I'll be able to guide few teenagers. I thought I'll be able to share my stories so that you guys can learn from them. But the biggest part of this show is having fun. There's a lot of fun that's coming up, so stay tuned and keep watching all the episodes. So yeah, I planned a lot of things like gaming segments, few fun games, few activities and stuff. So that is the reason, stay tuned. And so for this video, when I started planning about this show, when I started writing this show, I suddenly became a poet one night. It was around 12 a.m. I mean 12:30 ish. And suddenly I turned into a poet. So I wrote a small shairi and booklo రాసి పెట్టుకున్నా ఇక్కడే. So yeah, here it goes. Hey mate, this is teenage. This is the time you have pimples all over your face. This is the time you are in a hurry to grow up and win the race. But bro, let everything happen in its own pace and enjoy this time of your life because teenage is not permanent. It's just a temporary phase. So if you like that tiny poem I wrote, go hit the like button and do subscribe. And టీనేజ్ గురించి ఇంకా మాట్లాడడానికి చాలా ఉంది. There's a lot more I have to talk and there are a lot of topics that I have to cover. So I planned it in a very beautiful way with few guests on our channel. So wait and watch. And yeah, for this video, talking about my teenage, very sadly, very unfortunately, most of my teenage was at my home because of the beautiful COVID-19. And yeah, I had to spend most of my teenage, I mean, from 8th grade, I mean, from the end of 8th grade, I was locked up in this house. And there are a few positives and a lot of negatives during that lockdown because positives are I got a lot of rest, I could sleep nicely, and one big positive is I could spend a lot of time with my family and I met some amazing people. I mean, my classmates were there, but during lockdown we got so close that now we are actual friends. And yeah, so after lockdown, I was done with my 10th. My full schooling, I mean the teenage part of my schooling was in the lockdown. And suddenly from lockdown there were my 10th boards. Then I had a small vacation, and then after all that 2 years of lockdown, I went and joined Sri Chaitanya. So that was for my BPC. So I decided to take BPC. I want to be a doctor. So I thought Chaitanya will do it, and even my sister was from Chaitanya, so I thought it will help a lot. But very sadly, it did not. It was a horrible part of my life because as my teenage, my energies are like I just want to roam around. I have a lot of energy, so sitting at one place and doing stuff isn't possible with me. So daily for 12 hours, almost 11 and a half hours, I was locked up in that one place for 2 years, and that was very tiring. So yeah, there are a lot of experiences during that part also that I have to share. But అన్ని ఒక ఎపిసోడ్లో అయిపోతే బాగోదుగా. So that is where we end the segment 1 of this episode. So welcome to the second segment, that is Tips OP. So I know it's a very creative name. Thank you so much. So yeah, basically today I'm single as usual, so that is the reason I can't play any games. అయితే నెక్స్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్ నుంచి there will be guests, so wait and watch. Yeah, so basically I put up a story on my Instagram asking for few words so that I can use them for my video. Here's the Instagram, do follow. Yeah, so basically I thought I'll get a lot of words so I can choose among them, but very unfortunately వచ్చినవే కొన్ని words, so we have no other option. So yeah, the first word I got was depression. Thanks to Akhil for such an amazing word. Yeah, so talking about depression and giving few tips about depression, basically depression has become a really common thing. I mean, I don't blame teenagers for it. The competition is like that, the environment has become like that, and even I was in that phase for some time. So obviously, what could be more depressing than Chaitanya's life? Anyway, yeah, one thing I always felt was it does not happen naturally, but it starts very slowly. So whenever you feel that you're becoming sad or you're unable to focus on things because of something that has happened, just throw everything aside, throw your phone aside, go onto your balcony or your terrace, sit alone for some time, keep thinking of what happened to you, you know, if that is something sad, just cry over it, just let it go. And if it's something happy, just think of it and get it out of your mind, put your mind clear, so that uh, it does not come back to you. So basically leave all your energy in that place, in that open air, and come back very light, without any thoughts or without any past. So that helps a lot. And one thing I felt is that once you're into few sad events, brain starts acting like YouTube algorithm. So it's like once you start thinking about that sad phase, brain thinks, oh, he actually wants such things. So just like YouTube algorithm, it starts popping up all the sad events that happened in your life, and that prolongs, so that you can't focus on anything. I mean, I have tried all of these, so that is the reason I'm telling you guys. So just uh, keep taking frequent breaks, because prolonged work or anything will actually affect. Sorry for the stammering, but yeah, what I meant to say was, keep taking breaks, keep yourself relaxed. Things happen, things go wrong, humans make mistakes. Just don't be too hard on yourself for perfection. Okay, and yeah, so the second word we got is sleep. Okay, so yeah, sleep I feel is one of the most important thing in teenagers life, because come on, your body is developing, body is undergoing so many changes, you obviously need sleep. But one thing is that, very unfortunately, our intermediate education, or our 11th and 12th schooling does not allow sleep. But Kani, I say, manage time and try sleeping on time. There's one video on my YouTube on fixing sleep schedule, so వెళ్ళి చూడండి, link in description. So yeah, so sleep is important. Like, do hell with the world, I say, you guys should sleep. So try exercising, try making yourself little tired instead of sitting in one place for the whole day. So that will help you fix your sleep schedule, and that will also help you, in staying healthy. So the third word I got was Xbox, and this is very I don't know how to react to it. So when I put up this story on my Instagram, one of my very close friend gave me an amazing word related to teenage, like, gave me a sentence. So see, yo bro, I'm bored. So okay, Prahar, thank you so much for responding to the sticker. Basically, even I was really bored in life. That is the reason I started up YouTube, to get a break from stuff. I love creating content. So whenever you're bored, make sure you are doing something that you love. It can be sleeping, it can be watching TV, it can be watching shows, it can be listening to music, or it can be doing something crazy stuff. And sometimes in your free time you can do stuff like this, starting a random show. So yeah, and also, when you're bored, try first try listing out everything that you can do, and try separating the productive ones and the non-productive ones. So when you're energetic and bored, do the productive ones, and when you're tired and bored, just do something that makes you relax. And yeah, so words అయిపోయింది, దాంతోని segment 2 కూడా అయిపోయింది. And that's it for this episode 1 of the Teenagers Show. I hope you guys liked it, and in case you did, do like, do share, and do subscribe. And in case your teenagers friend, you have some teenager friends, do share it with them. And I'll see you in the next episode with a lot of fun. Until then, bye, take care.